I am going to make the most perfect smoothie of all time. It's called Chocolate Therapy in my KitchenAid K400 blender. It's going to be delicious. So when you're craving something smooth and creamy, high in antioxidants, high in protein, high in vitamin E, high in essential minerals and the fatty acids, this is the smoothie for you. And it's the perfect meal or it's the perfect snack when you're craving a bit of chocolate therapy, which is why it's called Chocolate Therapy. Really, really easy. And you're getting to get one whole avocado. This makes 2 to 3 large generous servings. So I'm using 1 whole avocado here. So it's generally about half an avocado per serving. I'm also using 2 cups of almond milk. So filling that up to around about 2 cups. In there, I've got some pitted dates. So you can sweeten it with some stevia as well, but I'm using a few pitted dates just to make it ultra lovely, sweet and delicious. Plus it's high in minerals, which is really good. So I'm also got 2 lovely spoonfuls, or more if you want, of Healthy Chef protein. 2, 3, I've got 3 there. And some generous spoonfuls of Healthy Chef Naked Chocolate Mylk. 1 more. And last but not least, lots and lots of ice. So the great thing about this blender is that it blends the toughest of ingredients, even ice, into something smooth, creamy and silky, which I want for my smoothie. So all we have to do now is blend. This is my smooth and creamy chocolate therapy smoothie. Look at that. It's delicious. It's pure goodness, high in protein, high in vitamin E, high in antioxidants, high in magnesium, and it's purely delicious. I'm just going to top this with a few cacao nibs as well. And you can eat it with a spoon. It's so good. There you go. Chocolate Therapy in the KitchenAid K400 blender. Enjoy.